Okay, next I'll show you the next one, which is if, else if, and then else condition. Okay, for that I'm taking a new model here. Okay, I'm browsing a library for taking the state flow chart, and you will find a state flow in a library. Okay, this is state flow and this is chart. Okay, I'm taking this to my model, and by double clicking on this chart, it will create a blank state flow canvas. Okay, and I'm right clicking on this canvas and add pattern in chart, and under decision, this is our if, else if, and else condition. Okay, and click OK, and our description will I want this as temperature control. Okay, and our if condition will be when temperature is less than 20, and our if condition want heater mode will be true. Okay, and our cooler mode will be turned off. Okay, and else if condition when temperature is less than 30. Okay, and our heater mode will be true. Sorry, our heater mode will be true, and our cooler will be turned off. Okay, and when temperature, and again else if condition when temperature is above 35. Okay, and at this condition our cooler will be turned on and heater will be turned off. Okay, and else condition both our heater and cooler will be turned off. Okay, now click OK. Now you can see our state flow model is created. I'm fitting this now. This is our condition. Okay, when temperature is less than 20, our heater mode will be 2 and cooler will be turned off. When the temperature is less than 30, or sorry, there is a misunderstanding. It will be heater condition will be 1. Okay, when temperature is less than 30, and heater will be 1, mode 1, and cooler will be turned off. When temperature above 30, and cooler will be turned on and heater will be turned off. Okay, and we have to go modeling and symbol panel, and our temperature is input and cooler and heater is output. So, okay, I'm resolving the symbol here and going back to a Simulink again, and as a temperature I want a stair generator block here. Okay, and this is a stair generator block here, and we need a scope to see the output. Okay, and our scope input will be 3. Okay, and layout will be okay. Okay, and this is our cooler. I'm renaming it as cooler, and this is our heater output. Okay, and this is our input temperature. Okay, and inside input temperature I want time for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and temperature amplitude will be 10, 15, 19, 21, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40, and then 10. Okay, now click OK. Okay, our temperature is given here, and we have to simulate it here, and temperature sub type 9. I'm running this model. Okay, it's okay, and similarly I'm changing my style layout here. Okay, this is display 1, this is 2. Okay, and this is our cooler, it will be okay, and this is 3, this is our heater. Okay, and I'm setting it as that. Okay, now you can see when temperature is below 20. Okay, when temperature is below 20, our heater mode is 2. Okay, and when temperature is above 20 but below 30. Okay, and then our heater mode is 1, and cooler is obviously off. And when temperature is above 35, as you can see, when temperature is above 35 and our cooler is turned on and our heater is turned off. Okay, so this is the way we can use if else if and else condition. Okay.